Hi, second graders, it's Mrs. Anderson, and I'm going to do another quick tutorial for you about another feature in kidsatozee.com. So again, when you log in, you will need to go to kids-a-z.com. Okay, and you'll be brought to a page that looks like this, and you will need to find your teacher's name from the list, and hopefully your teacher's name will show up here. Otherwise, you can type in your teacher's name, which is on your passwords page. Then you'll be brought to a page where you should see your name and all of your classmates' names. Please be sure to select your name. Today, I'm going to sign in as Scout. The next thing you'll be asked to do is enter your password. Again, this should be on your passwords page. Now, second graders, this probably looks familiar to you. You should see your name up at the top. And again, this looks like you're the controller of a spaceship. But today, there are three things on your screen. The reading room, which has all of the books that are at your reading level, the opportunity for you to level up. And then if your teacher would like you to take a benchmark test, there is a flight check. So sometimes we will want you to do an assessment or a reading test, and we will give you a passage to read that we will assign you, and that will show up as a flight check. So it says that you will earn 300 stars for this flight check, and there is a little microphone down here in the corner. So I'm going to click.
It will take up to 15 minutes to complete all 3 steps of this assignment. If you do not have time to complete the assignment, stop now and come back to the computer later.
So the question is, do you have time to complete this activity? And she asked you this question because it will take you 15 minutes to complete this activity. So I'm going to say yes, we have enough time to complete the activity. Then it asks, kids A to Z would like to use your microphone. Say allow. And then you need to start reading. Monsters are not real. Mom tells me that monsters are not real. I am not sure if she is right or not. I see long dark shadows on my walls late at night. The long dark shadows seem to dance on my wall. Mom says the shadows are from the tree outside my window. She says the light from the moon makes the shadows. She says the wind blows, which makes the trees' shadows move. Mom says the moon will be dark in a day or two. She says I'll see then that monsters are not real. I hope she is right. I hope it's just the tree, light, and wind. And then I'm going to click the Done button.
Retell in your own words what you just read. Tell as much as you can remember. Click Record to begin.
So second graders, did you hear those directions? Now I need to tell the story and record it. So what you're going to do is you're going to press this record button, and then you're going to retell the story. This story was about a little child who is afraid of the things that are outside of his or her bedroom. There are shadows and the wind is blowing, and he or she thinks that they might be monsters. But this child's parents or this child's mother explains to the child that these things might not be real, that they're just the light or the tree outside the window. And so this child is going to try and go to sleep and hope that his or her mom is right. When I feel like I've done my very best job, I'm going to hit Done. Then it's going to give you some questions. What is the problem in the story? And again, you're going to do the best job you can, and then you're going to hit the Next button. How does the light enter the room? It comes through the child's window. Why does the mom tell the child that monsters are not real? I think it's because the mom wants the child to sleep. Now, it looks like I might have accidentally skipped number 2, so I'm going to click back to it. What is causing the child to think about the monsters? The noises outside the door, the shadows on the wall. I wonder if I can click 2 of them. Nope, it only lets you pick one. So I'm going to say the shadows are causing the child to think about the monsters. Now we're on question number 5. How does the light enter the room? Actually, we're on question number 3. So it's going to go back in order. Okay, now we're on question number 5. The title of this passage is Monsters Are Not Real. Which word means almost the same as real? True. So now I've earned my 300 stars and I've done my flight check for my teacher. So I am going to click done. Okay, and now we're back to that main screen and you see that the flight check is gone. I wonder if it has adjusted the books in Scout's reading room. I don't think it has. I wonder though if Scout logs out and logs back in, if the reading room books might be more at Scout's level. So second graders, again, if you see that you have a flight check, you need to be sure to do the flight check because your teacher wants to check how your reading is going. Thanks, everybody. Happy reading.